Kicks Country 92.9, number one for New Country. There's Riley Green and The Worst Way, 9:30. I'm Todd Matthews. This is Matthews in the Morning, and we always want the best for you, but sometimes the worst does come our way. And when that happens, you can always count on our Ask the Lawyer segment, which we present every Wednesday at this time to kind of clear things up. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Let's see if your question is the one that gets answered today. I have on the line with me Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Would you please help me make him feel welcome? Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How you doing this morning?
Just fine. How about you?
I'm doing fantastic, thank you.
Good. Like I was saying a second ago, we only want the best for everybody, but unfortunately, life doesn't always play fair, and sometimes you get into a jam and you need some help, and we've got another one of those kinds of questions for you today. Are you ready?
I am ready, Todd.
Okay, here's what the email says today. My cousin was riding his motorcycle on Edgewater when a driver pulled out of the Walgreens parking lot right in front of him. He laid his bike down to avoid a direct hit, but still broke his collarbone and several ribs. The insurance company says it's not their problem because the cars didn't physically collide. He's unable to work. His construction job has no savings to cover his rent or medical bills. Can a lawyer help him even though he avoided a direct impact? I would hope so. I would hate to think that the smarter move would have been direct impact. What do you make of this?
Well, of course a lawyer could help him when you're involved in a situation like that. As soon as you get out of the emergency room, you should call an experienced personal injury lawyer.
Okay.
And the response from the insurance company is typical because the insurance company's motto is, we never pay.
Right.
So just because there's no contact doesn't mean that if someone is negligent and causes harm to someone else, they're not responsible.
I see.
So the other driver is responsible, his insurance company is responsible, and they're going to have to take care of his damages, which includes medical expenses in the past, future medical care, loss of wages in the past, loss of wages in the future, pain and suffering, and other intangible damages.
So this could have to be quite a substantial claim if there's somebody who knows how to work these cases. Thankfully, we're talking to the biker's lawyer, just so everybody knows you've dealt with this kind of thing many times.
Absolutely. It's a shame, but, the insurance company forces you to go to a lawyer.
Yeah.
Because of their position on telling people that they're not responsible.
Right. If nothing else, this situation serves as a cautionary tale, and I don't think we can remind drivers enough in our area, please watch out for motorcycles. They're not as easy to see, and before you make that turn into traffic, double check, please.
Yeah, watch out for motorcycles and bicycles.
Yeah, very true. All right, well, it does sound like there is a recovery possible here. It all depends on getting a hold of a professional quickly. We appreciate the advice, as always, Bruce.
Well, thank you so much, Todd. I'm looking forward to another challenging question next Wednesday.
And I'm sure we'll have one for you. Have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. And I feel a lot better about having read that email now that we've had that kind of an outcome, or at least projected outcome. If you have a question you'd like Bruce to answer, all you have to do to submit it is to go to our website and put Bruce in the keyword search box. Now, if you've been injured, like in this case, forget what I just said. That's not an efficient use of your time. Instead, call the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner at 941-743-7777, 941-743-7777. And be sure to tell them that Todd Matthews sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.